Hey guys, I'm excited to show you a feature that most people haven't seen in our systems. It's actually a jobs list function that we've implemented into the UR interface so that you can take jobs that were created in the Fronius power source, you can put them in the interface of the Pendant, and you can select them on the fly. This function allows us to do that in two ways. One is if we see up here we have our job number and our travel speed. Those are normally black to where you can see, make a selection for travel speed for your defaults. So for instance, if I go in here and make this 15 for my travel speed and I make a job number of 12 for my welding job, then when I create a program, I can come over here and create weld start, and now those parameters are baked into my welding parameters. So if we want to go back into here and select something that already exists in the power source, we hit this checkbox down here. It grays out our top selection and opens up all this area down here. So for instance, if we want to pick a material, a wire diameter, a shield gas, and material thickness, we can go through this list from top to bottom and say, I want to pick a material thickness, let's say 5356 aluminum. I want a wire diameter of 0.45, which is typical in this case. So our gas, it's an obvious one. We're only going to have argon, but it would show other gases depending on some of my other top selections. So we'll pick argon, and now we'll pick a material thickness. So in this case, the jobs that were created have these three material thicknesses available. So we'll pick that 1.11 inch material thickness. It can also be in metric if you like. So now this will create our new selection, and if we create a new weld start with a midpoint and end, now it selects the new creates the new selection like we saw in this installation side. So if, let's say we know what our weld job is called and we don't care about actually selecting the parameters of the weld, we can select this other box. So now all the stuff down here gets grayed out, and we go in and we can select our job from that list, and we can pick anything we want in this entire list that was imported from the power source. So if I know what it's called, I select whatever I want here, and now it changes my selection, and now it'll propagate in my program based on that previous selection from my default. So it makes it really easy to take welding parameters that you've put into the power source, have those available here in your Pendant for quick selection, either by material thickness, gas, wire diameter, so on, or you can pick it by name. Not only that, because of the Fronius power source, you can import and export jobs from other power sources. You can create a WPS for quick and easy selection so that your welding engineers have full control of their welding processes.